Hey, 8th graders. Last couple lessons in our chapter on genetics. Next, we're going to look at DNA. So today we have 2 lessons. Lesson 3, Patterns of Inheritance, and Lesson 4, Chromosomes and Inheritance. So, key questions from Lesson 3. How are most traits inherited? How do genes and the environment interact? And Lesson 4, how are chromosomes, genes, and inheritance related? And what happens during meiosis? So, most traits are the result of complex patterns of inheritance. Incomplete dominance is a situation in which one allele is not completely dominant over another allele. Codominance is a situation in which both alleles for a gene are expressed equally. Multiple alleles is 3 or more possible alleles of a gene that determine a trait. Polygenic inheritance is the inheritance of traits that are controlled by 2 or more genes, such as height in humans. Environmental factors can influence the way genes are expressed. And on to Lesson 4. So chromosomes are paired. So start body cell, then sex cells, fertilization, then offspring. According to the chromosome theory of inheritance, genes pass from parents to their offspring on chromosomes. Meiosis is the process that occurs in the formation of sex cells, sperm, and egg, by which the number of chromosomes is reduced by half. During meiosis, the chromosome pairs separate into 2 different cells. The sex cells that form later have only half as many chromosomes as the other cells in the organism. So before meiosis, every chromosome in the parent cell is copied. Centromeres hold the 2 chromatids together. So then we have a couple more steps here. The chromosome pairs line up in the center of the cell. Then the pairs separate and move to opposite ends of the cell. 2 cells form. Each cell has half of the original number of chromosomes. Each chromosome is still made of 2 chromatids. In each cell, the chromosomes move to the center. The centromeres split and the chromatids separate. They become single chromosomes and move to opposite ends of the cell. Excuse me. And then after meiosis, 4 sex cells are produced. Each cell has half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell. Each sex cell has only 1 chromosome from the original pair. Okay, so our vocab. Incomplete dominance, and I'm not going to read them because lots of words, and I'm struggling today. So incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, polygenic inheritance, meiosis. So please complete the Edmodo questions for lessons 3 and 4. Let me know if you have any questions on that. Just a reminder that tomorrow, Friday, you have testing. And for most of you, tomorrow will be the last day. If you have questions, you can ask myself or Mr. Wade or Mr. Colander. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.